Do you ever wonder about the impact of a single event on a society? Today, we delve into the significance of the Rama Temple inauguration. January 22nd, 2024 marks a significant day for the Hindu community, not just in India but globally. This is the day of the Rama Temple's inauguration, a monumental event that has been years in the making. Nestled in the heart of Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, the temple stands as a symbol of the Hindu deity, Rama, believed to be born right here. However, the history of this site is as layered as it is long. The land, which is now home to the Grand Rama Temple, was once the site of the Babri Masjid, a mosque built in the 16th century. This location has been the fulcrum of a protracted conflict, a tug-of-war between two religions, Hinduism and Islam, each with their own historical and spiritual claims to the site. The path to the inauguration of the Rama Temple has been far from smooth. The site has been steeped in controversy, from the demolition of the Babri Masjid in 1992 to the Supreme Court ruling in 2019 that awarded the disputed land to Hindus for the construction of a temple, while allocating a separate plot for Muslims to build a mosque. This inauguration is not merely a ceremony, it's a turning point in the narrative of this historic site. It represents a culmination of years of disputes, legal battles, and communal tensions. But more importantly, this event signifies a new chapter for the Hindu community. It's a time of celebration, a moment of communal unity and shared joy. The inauguration of the Rama Temple is a reaffirmation of faith, a testament to the community's resilience and determination. As we delve deeper into the history and significance of this event, we must bear in mind that the inauguration is more than a simple event. It is a landmark in the long and complex history of the site. Tracing back to ancient times, the site has always been a point of significance. According to Hindu belief, the site of Ayodhya is considered the birthplace of Lord Rama, a revered deity in the Hindu pantheon. This belief has been deeply entrenched in the cultural and religious fabric of the region, making it a place of great spiritual importance for Hindus. The story takes a turn in the medieval period, more specifically around the year 1528. Mir Baqi, a commander under the Mughal Emperor Babur, erected the Babri Masjid, a mosque that stood on the very site believed to be Rama's birthplace. This marked the beginning of a complex and contentious history between two of the world's largest religions, Hinduism and Islam. The mosque, named after Emperor Babur, stood tall and resolute, a symbol of the architectural style of the Delhi Sultanate. But as the centuries rolled on, the building became a source of mounting tension. From the 18th century onwards, the site became a contested ground, with both Hindus and Muslims laying claim to it. The issue escalated into a religious dispute, with each community asserting historical and religious rights over the site. As we delve deeper, we find that the roots of the controversy lie not just in religious differences, but also in politics and cultural identity. The site of Ayodhya became a touchpoint for broader communal tensions, a symbol of historical grievances and competing narratives of the past. The roots of the controversy lie deep in the past, entwined with faith, politics, and cultural identity. As we move forward in our journey, we will explore how these ancient disputes have shaped modern controversies and resolutions. As we move into the modern era, the dispute takes on new forms and complexities. The Babri Masjid, a mosque in Ayodhya, India, became a focal point of conflict in the late 20th century. The mosque, believed by Hindus to be built on the birthplace of the deity Rama, was demolished by a Hindu nationalist mob in 1992, sparking communal violence. However, the story doesn't end there. The Archaeological Survey of India conducted an excavation of the site and found evidence of a pre-existing Hindu structure. This discovery added another layer to the controversy, further complicating the matter. Legal intervention became necessary to resolve the dispute. In 2010, the Allahabad High Court ruled that the mosque was built on Rama's birthplace and awarded the site for the construction of a Hindu temple, while also granting Muslims a portion of the land for a mosque. This decision, however, was appealed to the Supreme Court. In 2019, the Supreme Court ordered the entire site to be handed over to a trust for the construction of a Hindu temple, the Ram Mandir. Simultaneously, an alternative plot was allocated for the construction of a mosque, signifying a resolution to the long-standing controversy. The construction of the Ram Mandir began in 2020 and is scheduled to be completed in 2024. The construction of the mosque began in 2021, marking a new chapter in the history of Ayodhya. The resolution of this dispute is a testament to the power of law and justice in shaping social narratives. It's a story of reconciliation, of finding a way forward amidst deep-seated historical conflicts. But above all, it's a reminder that our shared heritage is more complex and intertwined than we often realize. Now let's look at the temple itself, a marvel of traditional Indian architecture. The Rama Temple in Ayodhya is a grand embodiment of the Gujara Chalukya style of Nagara architecture. This style, which originated in the western parts of India, is characterized by distinct features that are deeply rooted in Indian tradition. The temple's design is a captivating fusion of aesthetics and spirituality. The intricate carvings, the towering shikara, and the sanctum sanctorum all come together to create a structure that is not only visually stunning but also spiritually uplifting. Nagara architecture is known for its upward movement, symbolizing the aspiration towards the divine. And the Rama Temple is no exception. Its towering height is a tribute to this very concept, guiding the eyes and spirits of the devotees upwards towards the divine. Despite the grandeur and complexity of its design, the temple is built with a deep understanding of the principles of balance and proportion. Each element, from the grand entrance to the inner sanctum, is meticulously planned and executed, ensuring a harmonious blend of form and function. But perhaps what sets the Rama Temple apart is its sheer size. Once completed, it is said to be one of the largest Hindu temples in the world, a testament to the faith and devotion of millions of devotees. This temple is not just a place of worship, it is a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage, a masterpiece of architecture that reflects the country's long and diverse history. It is a monument that pays tribute to the artistic and architectural prowess of the craftsmen who brought this vision to life. The Rama Temple stands not just as a place of worship, but a symbol of cultural and architectural heritage. The journey to the inauguration has not been without its share of controversies and debates. A significant cause of discord has been the disputed history of the site. The Babri Masjid, a mosque believed by many Hindus to have been built on Rama's birthplace, stood here until its controversial demolition in 1992. This event led to communal violence and legal battles that lasted for decades. Amidst these historical disputes, there were also controversies related to donations and political involvement. The construction of the temple was largely supported by public donations. However, there were allegations of a donation scam, leading to further debates and mistrust. Moreover, the involvement of political parties in the temple's construction has been a hot topic. Critics argue that the temple was politicized, leading to the sidelining of major activists who had been at the forefront of the temple movement for years. The regional impact of these controversies has been profound. The demolition of the Babri Masjid and the subsequent construction of the Rama Temple have had far-reaching consequences. Communities were divided and communal harmony was disrupted, leading to a sense of fear and isolation among certain groups. In the midst of these controversies, the Libahan Commission played a crucial role. Established to investigate the events leading to the demolition of the Babri Masjid, the Commission's findings fueled further debates. The title case's verdict offered some resolution to the long-standing dispute. In 2019, the Supreme Court ordered the disputed land to be handed over for the construction of a Hindu temple, while also allocating an alternative plot for a mosque. This decision marked a significant turning point, paving the way for the construction of the Rama Temple. Despite the controversies, the inauguration of the Rama Temple marks a new chapter in India's socio-cultural landscape. The temple stands as a symbol of faith and perseverance, reminding us of the intricate connections between history, religion, and politics.